Now I want you to find practice 86A. This is the practice and the homework part of lesson 86 with writing money using two different symbols. Sorry, my video stopped. You'll need a ruler. We're going to draw a 2.5 inch line segment. Now, depending on your ruler, make sure you are looking for the inches side. Some of them have centimeter sides. Inches are bigger. Also, always check your ruler to see where your zero line falls. Sometimes it's at the edge of the ruler, and sometimes it's in a little. Put your zero on your dot. Make sure they line up. I say make them kiss. We're going 2.5, not all the way to 3. We're going halfway, so halfway in between 2 and 3. Putting my line segment, my dot. Hold that ruler steady and connect. 2.5 inches. Now for the date line, we're going to do the same, but we're going to measure for 3 inches. Make sure they line up. Putting a dot above 3 and connect. 3 inches. Now friends, if you need time, if you need to slow down and catch up, you can always hit pause on the video. Number 1. The kindergarten children made a graph to show the shoes and sneakers they are wearing. They counted 10 pairs of shoes and 14 sneakers. Draw a picture to show the shoes and the sneakers. So there are 10 shoes. I'm going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 14 sneakers. Use squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now it says to circle the pairs. How many are in a pair? Think of how many shoes you are wearing. Or how many socks? 2. So we have to circle a group of 2. It doesn't matter which way you circle, as long as there's 2 in the group. How many children are in the kindergarten class? Well, if each child wears 2 pairs of shoes, we have to count the circled pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 children in the class. Number 2. What number does this picture show? Well, I have some hundreds. I have a 10 and I have some ones. Means there's going to be 3 digits. How many hundreds are there? 2. There's 1 10 and 5 ones. 215. Circle the digit in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now write the number in expanded form. Remember, when we write in expanded form, we're breaking down this number to show what we used to add. What did we use to add to make that number? How many hundreds? 2. 200. Plus, how many tens? 110. And how many ones? 5 ones. 200 plus 10 plus 5. Number 3. I have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and a penny. Draw the coins. 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and a penny. How much money is this? We start with our dimes. It's worth the most. 10, 20, 30. Now we have nickels. 35, 40, plus 1 more. Well, that's 41. So we're going to write this amount 2 different ways. 41 cents. Use your cent sign. Now, write that amount using your dollar sign. Dollar sign. 41 cents, we don't have any dollars, so we have to put our 0 and a decimal to say that there are no dollars in 41 cents. And then we fill in our money, 41 cents. Number 4. Calvin has 4 markers. Draw the markers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 marker is red. Color that marker. What fractional part of the markers is red? Well, I have 1 marker that is red. And how many total markers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 markers total. Number 5. Fill in the correct comparison symbol. We're going to use our greater than, less than, or our equal sign. Now, before I can fill in my symbol, I have to solve my problems. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 7 take away 1 is 5. So looking at 6 and 5, I'm going to use this symbol showing it wants to eat the bigger number. 6 is more than 5. Next, before I can fill it in, we got to solve my problems. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So looking at 8 and 9, I'm going to compare. I'm going to use this symbol, my less than, because 8 is smaller, is less than 9, and the symbol is going to point open mouth towards my bigger number. And our last one, what's 7 minus 2? That's 4. Gosh, I just realized this one is wrong. 7 minus 1 is not 5. I'm sorry, my friends. You're probably screaming at the computer saying, Miss Emily, you're wrong. Going back. 7 minus 5 minus 1 is 6. And 6 is the same, which you use your equal sign. 7 minus 2 is 5. Looking at 5 and 4, that means my symbol is going to point open towards 5 because 5 is greater than 4. And last, we find our sums. Adding money, so make sure if there's a cent sign, make sure you bring it down in your problem. Let's see, 8 plus 7 is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Carry my 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 more is 7, plus 1 is 8. 80 cents. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 plus 9 is 18, 19, 20. These ones you have to line up. 63, 97. 7 and 3 is 10. Carry my 1. 9 and 1 is 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 and 86. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry my 1. 1, 2 plus 8 is 10. When you're ready, turn your paper over and you can do the homework. (86B). You can do it by yourself. You could ask an adult for help. Pause the video while you work. When you're ready, you can check your work and see if you got the right answer. Pause the video while you correct your homework. If you were stuck, you need more practice, we'll do it together. Number 1. The first grade children made a graph to show the shoes and sneakers they were wearing. They counted 8 shoes and 12 sneakers. Draw a picture to show the shoes and the sneakers. 8 shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 sneakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now circle the pairs. Remember, you wear 2 shoes when you go out. 2. You got to circle groups of 2. Now it wants to know how many children are in that first grade class. Well, this means that one child wears 2 shoes, so we're going to count our groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children in the class. Number 2, what number does this picture show? I have hundreds, tens, and ones. It means there's 3 digits. I have 1 100. I have 2 tens. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones. I think my answer was wrong on this one. Yay. 127. Circle the digit in the tens place. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Now it wants to write this number in expanded form. Break it down. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are added together to make that number? I have 1 100. I have 2 tens. And I have 7 ones. 100 plus 20 plus 7. Number 3. I have 1 dime, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. Draw the coins. 1 dime, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. How much money is this? Starting with my dime, 10 plus 5. Now I'm counting by 5s. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. 27 cents. I'm using 2 different ways to write this amount. I'm using my cent sign first. 27 cents. Now using my dollar sign, going to write 27 cents. $0 with my decimal. And I said there's 27 cents. Number 4. Steve has 3 markers. Draw the markers. 1, 2, 3. 1 marker is green. Color that marker. What fractional part of the markers is green? There's only 1 marker out of the 1, 2, 3 total markers that are green. 1/3 is green. We're going to use a correct comparison symbol to fill in these number sentences. Before I can compare, I need to solve the equation. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So the symbol I'm going to use, my mouth is going to open towards 2. 2 is bigger than 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 3 more, that's also 12. These two numbers are the same. We're going to use our equal sign, telling that they are exactly the same. And last, 8 plus 3 is 11, and 4 plus 6 is 10. I'm going to use my symbol pointing mouth this way, my greater than, because 11 is greater than 10. Now we're finding the sums. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 6 more, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 0, carry my 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 90, and I got to bring my cent sign down because I added money. Let's see, let's add. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. 8, 7, and 6. Well, 8 plus 7 is 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 86 and 34. 6 and 4 is 10, carry my 1. 8 plus 1 more is 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one, 1797. 7 and 7 is 14, carry my 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Nice job today.